Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all how I make my lip plumper. So this lip plumper is more of like, it's spicy. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's kind of tricky, you know, because you don't want it to be too spicy because some people have really sensitive lips and then other people, they'll be fine. So let's get started. First, like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. So now I'm gonna put on my gloves. So I'm gonna put on my gloves, and I'm sorry for any background noises. Okay, so I'm putting on my gloves because, of course, for sanitary purposes, I'm making this for my business, and you know. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys the materials that I have. So of course, I have my new syringe. And then I have my pimpette or pipe. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. So there you go. And then I have scissors over here to cut my pipe. And then I have my twist pens. I got these off of Amazon, but you can get these. Hi, Madeline. But you can get these off of AliExpress for really cheap. You just have to look for it. So I'm actually, the next time I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy it off of AliExpress. But of course, it's going to take a while, about 2 weeks. And then now, of course, I have my typical bowl and then my spoon. And then I ran out of my other Versagel, so now I'm using my brand new Versagel bag. And it's 3.5 pounds. Okay, there you go. So I'll be using that. And then I'm using my, I just opened this, my grapeseed oil, because I ran out of my other one. But yeah. Then I'll be using peppermint essential oil, clove oil, and cinnamon oil. I got all of these off of Amazon, and yeah. So then now I'm gonna show you guys how I cut my pipette. So I'll take this off, and then I like to take this off. There you go. And then here's my pipette, my pipette. So I cut here, right below. There you go. Let me move that. And then I cut the end of this. There you go. Perfect. And then you just attach it to the end. There you go. That's how you do it. Simple, easy. If for these syringes, they don't of course you have to go like slow when you like insert your lip gloss into your squeeze tubes or whatever. But these haven't popped off at all. But if you have a problem with your pin pipe popping off, you can just tape it. Okay, so then now I'm gonna put my Versagel, since I only have only have five of these, so I don't need to use a lot of Versagel. So yeah. I love you too. So yeah, you don't want to use too much Versagel. But this lip plumper is kind of thick. I like it thick, so I am gonna apply, you know, a little bit more Versagel. Here, I'm gonna show you my Versagel. That's the amount of Versagel I'll be using. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of grapeseed oil because, like I said, I like my lip plumper to be kind of thick, to have like a thick consistency. So there you go. And I am adding essential oils too, so y'all can't even see the oil, but it's right there. Now I'm gonna start mixing. So now I'm mixing it. Like I said, of course, with Versagel, once you put your oil in the Versagel and you start mixing, it gets like kind of clumpy, but you just gotta keep on mixing it, and then you'll be good. Yeah, so this is perfect. I'm liking this. There you go. So then now I'm gonna start adding my essential oils. But first, what?
I like your lip gloss.
Thank you, baby. Okay, but first I'm gonna take these off. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the brush in there, until I'm ready to, like, you know, put it in there. So I'm gonna set it up over here, and then this is where I put my my lip plumper in here. Yep, and this you just twist, and there you go. Okay. So then now, I think I'm gonna go with the clove. The clove is the strongest. I know, baby. The clove is the strongest, so you want to apply this first. So I'll do about 5 drops of this.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there you go. This is like really strong. And then now I'm gonna put cinnamon, because cinnamon is the second strongest. And then I'm gonna put 5 drops of this.
Can you smell it?
Okay, so sometimes this takes a while to come out. 1, 2, come on, 2. Like, I don't know why it takes forever. 3, 4, 5. Then with my peppermint, I do about like 7 to kind of like make it more not as spicy. So I do about like 7 drops. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, there you go. And then now I'm gonna start mixing all the essential oils together. Yay. See, I can smell it. Spicy.
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells good.
It smells good.
It smells good, right?
Yeah, it smells good.
So that's my niece. She's right next to me. She likes watching me when I make my lip gloss and things like that. I don't know. She's always like, I love your lip gloss. But yeah, that's my niece. Girl. But yeah, now I'm mixing it. Okay, now this is the perfect consistency. I'm loving it. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Ooh, but yeah, especially if it's like a thicker, like you know, lip gloss or whatever, that gets really messy. But if it's like a thin consistency, then it's really easy to get in. So like when it's thicker, it takes a while to get down. But yeah, I love what I do. Even though like people are like it's time consuming, but I really don't mind. I love what I do, so I could sit for hours just making lip gloss. But yeah, this is like really my happy place. My business is my happy place. I love what I do.
It smells it.
It smells good?
Yeah.
Ooh. See, you hear my niece? She said, But yeah. So this is about good. Now I'm gonna put, of course, my thing in here. And then now I'm gonna grab my little thingy. And it's slowly going in there, as y'all can see. Yay.
Until you finish.
There you go. There you go, I filled it up. So then now, hold up. Now I'm gonna put the brush in there. So with the brush, you really gotta put it in there. So, of course, I'm trying to like. Okay, the brush looks good. Doesn't look, okay, all good.
Is that for your lips?
Yeah, that's for your lips. So you don't want to press down on the brush though. You want to try your best to press it down like this. Yep, perfect. There you go. There you go, guys. Now, I always observe, bless you, I always observe the brush. Make sure there's nothing on it, because we don't like that. I absorb everything. Everything looks great. Yep. That looks perfect.
That looks
Okay, so then now I'm going to put the top on. Now I am putting the top on, guys. There you go. Yay, I got one done. So with this, you really need to be precise. You want to make sure everything is clean, because of course it's a brush. But yeah, overall it's a twist pen. It's really cute. And yeah, this is $8 on my website. So go check it out. Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So now I'm gonna put this to the side, and then I can wash it later. Now it's the same thing. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna leave the brush in there because I don't want to put it on the napkin because you never know what's on there. So now I'm gonna fill this one up. Hold up. Sorry. I'm trying to show y'all like a close up of me filling it up.
You show me.
There you go.
Oh.
Yay.
That's how they do that?
Yeah, that's how they do that.
Oh.
Y'all hear my niece. But yeah, I'm just filling it up. I might have made too much of it, so I might actually put it in a squeeze tube and sell it.
I like your gloves.
Thank you, baby. So there you go. Everything looks good on here. So now I'm putting it in here. Oh yeah.
There's nothing on
Yay. Okay, everything looks good. Good. Everything looks clean. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. All right. And it's down all the way. Okay.
it.
Yay. Now all I need to do is, like, of course, wash it like I normally do.
Those are wet.
Yeah, those are wet. Those are oily. But there you go. But yeah, now for the rest of the video, you're just gonna watch me fill this up. So if you want to stop watching now, then you could stop, or if you want to watch it, then you can watch it. But yeah, that's how I make my lip plumper. Me personally, I don't have sensitive skin at all. Like, my skin, I could do all these horrible things to my skin, and my skin just won't really have a reaction. So when I put this on my lips, I do feel a tingly sensation, but it really doesn't plump my lips like other people. Like my sister, she put it on her lips and it made her lips like really, really plump. But she has really sensitive skin, so she didn't really like it since she has really sensitive skin. She said it was too spicy, but me personally, I liked how spicy it was. And then other people have tried it and they're like, oh my god, it made my lips look really big and I love it, blah blah blah. But yeah, hold on guys, I'm trying to set this up, but it won't. I'll just put it like this. Okay. Hold on, Madeline, I'm busy.
It's going down. Julie, look.
Because I can't blow it up. I'm sorry. Okay, so then now I'm trying to put this down. This would kind of be hard. Yeah, there you go. Now, like I said, I absorb it. All right, that looks good. Like I said, you do not want to touch the brush part. Okay, that's perfect. Yay. Anyways, I think I'm just going to end the video here now. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. This was a highly requested video. So, you know, go crazy. And in my description box, I'll have my website. And I have a 35% off discount code that will end this Friday. And yeah. So thank you all for watching and stay glowing.